Okay, true believers, here it is. Finished the shelf. That's here, I'll pull back. So that's what it looks like. So as you can see, it's just a basic mirror with the rounded edges. There's no frame around it. So I just drilled the screws in the wall and voila. And it came with a shelf. Voila. So 20 bucks for that mirror and that shelf. And then 10 bucks for this towel holder. Done. Done, done, and done. So if you want to see what it looks like after, so we don't have to have anything on the counter anymore. The boss was getting on my case about that. She's always like, when are you going to install the shelves? When are you going to install the mirror in that room? And I was like, it's on my list. It's on my list. Now it's finally off the list. So you know, when I get these projects done off the list, it of course puts the boss in the mood, which is another thing I have to another service I have to take care of. It's like my list is always seems to be growing and growing. So if you want to see what this guest bathroom looks like, here it is. It's just basically it's just, and then here's the toilet over here. There's the bidet. You always have to have a bidet. I can't live without these bidets. I can't go back to toilet paper. I gotta go back to water and soap. So this is, so here's a spray cleaner with disinfectant on it. And then you got the air freshener, you got soap, you got tissue, Kleenex. And then over here to your right is your towel holder. So done, done, and done. I've got 1,000, I got 999 things on my list, and this is finally off the list. So that's what putting shelves and putting a mirror, putting a shelf, putting a towel holder is like here in the Philippines. Now it's been years since I've handled power tools, and I'm sure there's people that know my history or my past know that I do use power tools on a regular basis at my work, but not for this kind of purpose. It requires a little bit more gentle hands and meticulous and more attention to detail is when when I would use power tools, I didn't use it on construction. I used it on much more sensitive subjects. But so I got that off my list today, so I'm pretty proud of so now I can go to sleep at night knowing the boss knowing that this is now complete. So hope you guys enjoyed it. So it's so everybody knows what my life is like here in the Philippines. You got and then my next update, I have two things I have on my list of things to vlog about. Heroes. His report card finally came in, and another police incident that recently happened. So those are the things that are on my plan, which is not set in concrete, but I write stuff on my list and I try to cross them off as much as I can. And finally, this is one of them. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. This is Velvet Only. At least you know what I'm up to. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.